With electrical screwdriver, work goes faster.
Miten se puhutti jolkin remonteja vilts?
Now you will remember. We also don't remember. In here you need to watch out because for screw, the under part is falling out. The under part nut is held by the dirt, and that's good. How I will take it off? We need to remember which places we're gonna put the screws. So some screws are longer, some screws are shorter. I always like to screw with the electrical screwdriver. In each side there is 4 screws. And now on the other side 2 screws. Let's take it off carefully, maybe something can fall out. But I think nothing will fall out. Give me the screwdriver. Take the screw. Make a photo of the wires and the screws. Make a photo very closely. Photo is very important so that you can put inside the wires how it was before. Here you need to unscrew.
Aha, давай. Darbojas kameras rodīja.
Something went wrong with the screw. Screw is not turning. Screw parts is going around, something's wrong with it, it's broken. We are making the cut so that we can unscrew with a minus screwdriver, not like it was before with a 6 screwdriver. Yeah. You understood that idea. We took off the chain tightener.
No turienes, no otra blakus, jā.
Blakus?
Jā, blakus.
Aha.
We took off the plastic part, which is separates the microschem, the wires from other part of the bicycle. We're gonna use an Allen key so that first we're gonna unscrew with it, and afterwards we're gonna take electrical screwdriver. Chinese guys have made the bolts very strong, the screws very strong. Interesting, the bicycle project is made in Switzerland, but the bicycle is put together in China.
tēņus reiz ņemsim atpakaļ un liksim, jā?
We take down the bicycle seat so that we can take off the wire from the battery so that electricity, there's no electricity. If you want take off this wire, you need to turn the screw, the bolt, and then you can unplug it.
Tas ir nokritīs, ne? Tā varam salikt atpakaļ.
So that we don't lose the screws, we put them back inside where they was before.
Ir.
Ciet viņš taisa.
Ir. Jā! Mazāks čakars pirmām kārtām.
Here's the electrical block,
Es atceros, ka te bija kaut
and
kādā veidā arī
from
mikrofons.
where all the
Toreiz atceros, ka
bicycle
mēs tikām
system is going command to. And this time we're gonna cut the wires so that we don't need to do as much work as before.
Kur ir vienas knaiba.
I was thinking there was maximum 3 wires, but turned out that there was a lot of wires that I wasn't expecting. There was 8 wires. After that we need to solder them all together so that we can get the electricity working. We are releasing the wheel axis. We will take the special key and put in the hole so that we can unscrew the wheel.
Kā skrūt, kā skrūt.
The unscrewing is the same as you unscrew each nut.
Jā.
From the right side to the left side, or other words, against the clock. Something is blocking us so that we cannot fully unscrew the wheel. Actually, we need to take off the disc brakes. Now we can fully unscrew the wheel. There is the moment when it starts to get harder to unscrew it because there's some friction with the axis, but you can do that for sure.
Kas var?
When you feel that you have been unscrewed the wheel, then you need to use a little bit force so that you can hit it off from the bicycle's frame. So that I would be for me easier to take off the wheel, to hit it off the frame of the bicycle, take hold differently your hands, how you hold it. Well, the wheel is off right now. We needed to cut the cable so that we can take off the wheel off and to this gear. Also, we couldn't take it if the cable wouldn't be cut in half. It would be great that the company would make some kind of contact place so that it would be easier to fix the bicycle, because the gear have a problems with these kind of bicycles. This is the second bicycle which we are doing remont, fixing it, and would be great that they think about it. Remember that there will be two washers. One will come off from the axis and one will come from the wheel in the frame. Now make a photo.
Aatri, otis. Ja, nog even weer
Take the wheel, clean it off, and let's put oil in it, and let's put on the new one gear. All the gear is in rust.
Ja.
Das ist kaputt.
Is.
Thanks for watching. Please press like and subscribe. If you have some ideas, please write. See you.